Marhaba. This video is to show you how to form a word in Arabic. To form a word in Arabic, we need to follow 3 simple steps. Step number 1, to start from the right, because Arabic always from the right. Step number 2, check if the letter is friendly or unfriendly, and I will show you the unfriendly letters. If the letter was unfriendly, then we don't do anything. If the letter was friendly, then we need to change the form of the letter. And the last step is to connect the letters, because in Arabic, to form a word, we need to connect the letters. Important rule to remember: in Arabic, the first letter always small and the last letter of the word is big. So it's opposite than English. The first letter is the small one and the last one is the big one. These are the unfriendly letters. In Arabic we have 28 letters, but these are the unfriendly letters. Why we call them unfriendly? Because they can connect only from one side, from the right side, and they don't have other form. It's one shape only. Here you can find some words. This is unfriendly, so it can join from the right. This is unfriendly. It can join from the right only, and it cannot join from this side. Join, it means add a hand. This one, it's unfriendly, so there is no hand. Unfriendly, there is one hand. Unfriendly, there is no hand. Unfriendly, and there is one hand. Now, let's follow the steps. If I have, for example, these 2 letters. Step number 1, start from the right. Step number 2, check if it's friendly or not friendly. These are the unfriendly letters. We cannot see it here, so it is friendly. Then we need to change the form to the forming one, to the baby one. This is the forming shape of this letter. This is how we connect it with the next letter. Now we connect. Another example. Step number 1, start from the right. Step number 2, check. It's not there, so it is friendly. So now we need to change the letter shape to baby one or the small one, and then we connect it. If I have 3 letters, step number 1, start from the right. We always start from the right. Check. It is unfriendly. I can see it here. So what we do, we keep it the same. We don't add a hand here because there is no other letter to connect with. So this is the first letter and it's unfriendly, so we cannot add a hand from the left side. We connect it. We don't connect it. We just add the next letter, and the next letter is also unfriendly. We cannot add a hand from the right side now in this case, because this one also is unfriendly, and we cannot add a hand from this side, and the last letter always we keep it as it is. Another example. Let's start from the right. Check. It's not there, so it is friendly. We must change it to baby or small one and add a hand. We go to the next letter. The next letter, it's not there, so we must change it. Immediately we change it to the other form the connecting form. The connecting form will immediately have a hand. And then we connect it with the last letter, which is unfriendly. In this case, we add a hand. You see from the right side, it's connecting, but it stays the same. These are all the Arabic letters. We have 28 letters. Now let me show you how to remember the forming shape. The first group of letters, like this, I create this rule, cut the line. What do I mean by cut the line? This is the letter that you see at the end, but if you write it in the start of the word or in the middle, you need to cut the end line, this line at the top, this line, this line, this line, and the line that goes down from this letter, and add a hand. So this is the connecting shape. If the letter has a tummy or a belly, like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, here it's a tummy, tummy, tummy. What we do, we cut the tummy and we add a hand. Cut the tummy and add a hand. This is the connecting shape. If the letter has a curve, like this one, and this one, we cut the curve and add a hand. Immediately we add a hand. These are special letters. Why? These two letters here, they are friendly letters, but there is no other shape for them. So we connect them, we don't change them, we just add a hand. K here is a special letter because when we connect it with the next letter, we must change it to this form. But if it was at the end, we keep it the same. Here also is a special letter, which is ya. Ya, when we connect it, we change it to this one with the two dots down. And this is ha. Ha also is a special letter because it has different shapes. If it's at the start, we put it in this way. If it's in the middle with two friendly letters, it's this way, and at the end, it's this way. This shape, if it's at the end and the letter before is friendly, and the last one is, it's at the end, but there is no hand if the letter before was unfriendly. And of course, these are the unfriendly letters. Now it's your turn to try. I want you to stop the video, try to do it, follow the steps, and write the word from the right. Now let's do it together. If I will follow the steps, step number 1, start from the right. This is a friendly letter because it's not here. We cut the line to make it the forming shape. We connect it with the next letter. Next letter is not friendly, so we don't connect it with the last one, and the last one stays big as it is. Here, we start with unfriendly letter, so we just keep it the same. Friendly letter with a line, so we cut the line. We just add one line from this side, and then we connect it with the last letter. I hope this was useful for you and helpful to write a word. شكرا ومع السلامة.